Today I'm doing the install of my GMRS radio from Midland. If you guys are looking for any type of radio communications, comms, or anything like that for your off-roading or your camping, staying connected with friends when you're out on trails, make sure that you guys check out Midland USA. Check them out on Instagram as well as midlandusa.com. Now this specific one is the MXT 275. Now this point was pretty simple. This is the Ghost 3dB Ghost antenna. And this was really simple to use and hook up. All I did was went ahead and connected the two Allen screws right underneath here, and that goes on the lip of your hood. Now this right here is the bottom of the mount. Like I talked about, there's two Allen screws. Those will just connect directly to your hood mount. I went ahead and used some electrical tape and taped it around the light that goes up into the hood already. And I went through and tucked this wire all the way through the fire block. Now with this setup, it's super easy. Not very complicated at all. As you can see, my power source right there is connected to my power point. Main power distribution for the supply of the Midland radio. And that's connected right there. And I have drilled a little hole right here for it's coming out. Now it's not pretty, but you know, it works. Went ahead and channeled it right between and underneath my dash. Now all in all, this setup for Midland took me literally 25 minutes from start to finish, from opening the box to go ahead and connecting everything. And I used very minimal amount of equipment. All I used was a step bit to make a couple drill holes, some zip ties, and that was pretty much it. Everything else is pretty straightforward. The reason why I chose Midland, they are the top brand within all the radio communications when you're doing overlanding, camping, anything like that. When you need to get a hold of people, when you're going on trails, when you're in a group of people, this is the brand that you need and that you trust.